A seasoned guide leads a small group into the forest, teaching firecraft, shelter, and water purification with calm, practical steps. He shares a real-life tale of a hiker stranded near a river who built a lean-to and found shelter before nightfall. Next, he demonstrates natural cordage from bark fibers and how to lash a temporary snare for small wildlife ethically. The narrative shifts to adaptivity when sudden weather shifts, showing field improvisation with available resources to conserve heat. The lesson closes with a call to practice regularly, respect nature, and cultivate resilience through small, repeatable skills.